Okay, number 18 says use the table to find the number of subsets of the set of students who are either freshmen or athletes or both. So let's start with freshmen. When I look over here, I see that Frank is a freshman and Gina is a freshman. Those are my only two freshmen. But then it also says or, they could be athletes. So I see Frank is in band, and honestly, I had a son in band, and I believe band should be considered a sport. Those kids work so hard and sweat so much. It's insane. But alas, it's not. So move on down the line. Yearbook is not a sport. Baseball, soccer, tennis, and basketball. So we've got 4 more there. However, this also says or both. And when I look, I see right here that Gina does both. We're not going to count Gina twice. We're going to count Frank, because he's a freshman. Gina is a freshman and also does sports, because it said or both, so we can count her just one time. And then you've got Elston and Brenda and Dana. So looking at this list right here, of the 6 names, 5 is the set of students, right? The set of students who are either, that set has 5 in it. So the number of elements is 5. They want to know what is the number of subsets. The number of subsets would be 2 raised to the 5th power. And 2 raised to the 5th is a 32. And that's the answer to that one. And then 21 says a hot dog shack advertises that you can have your hot dog any way you want it. If their hot dog can be purchased with from none to 6 toppings, and how many different ways can you order your hot dog? Okay, well, if you get your hot dog plain, that's considered the empty set. And then if you get your hot dog with all 6 toppings, that would be like your universal set, because you've got them all. And then in between, you can have like whatever the 6 toppings are. Like, I'm assuming it's like ketchup, mustard, onions, relish, chili, and cheese maybe. I don't know. So maybe you just get mustard on your hot dog. That would be a single. So you could do all the singles, the 6 singles by themselves. And then if you did the doubles, it'd be like ketchup and mustard, ketchup and relish, ketchup and onions, ketchup, you know. And then the triples. It's just the total number of subsets. And we have 6 toppings. So it's going to be 2 raised to the 6th power. And 2 to the 6th is 64. So you could have your hot dog 60 different ways, depending on what you put on it. Are you getting it plain? Or are you getting all 6 toppings? That's just 2. The other 62 would be the singles, the doubles, the triples, if you had 4 toppings, and if you had 5 toppings, which 5 toppings would you pick? So we are not going to list them all because that would take forever. Okay. And then on 27, which is the last question, and I can't get this to go any higher. Oh no. Well, shoot. Okay, I'm going to have to do this in a separate video. I'm sorry. All right.